How to update the display driver in Windows 10 and Windows 11. First, press Windows plus X and select Device Manager. Now, expand Display Adapters. Here, you'll see your installed graphics card. In my case, I have Intel UHD graphics and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 6GB laptop GPU. If your computer shows Microsoft Basic Display Adapter instead, it means Windows is using a generic display driver. To update the driver, right-click your graphics adapter and select Update Driver. Now choose Search Automatically for drivers. Windows will search for and install an available driver. If Windows can't find a new driver, go to Windows Update and check for available updates, including optional driver updates. For the best performance, you can also download the latest graphics driver directly from the Intel, NVIDIA, or your laptop manufacturer's official website. After installing the driver, restart your computer. Finally, open Device Manager/Display Adapters again and check that your graphics card is correctly listed. That's it. You've successfully checked and updated your display driver in Windows 10 and Windows 11. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows troubleshooting tutorials.